Alicia Baker, and I went on a trip around China. This is what I saw, what I did, and what captured my eye. Day 1. First, it was a plane ride. I don't know why, but at every takeoff, I am petrified. There's nothing more frightening than feeling that final thrust of the plane as it takes off. I watched a movie, Spotlight. It was interesting and shocking, but very hard to follow when you're thinking of all the cool stuff you're about to see. I stared at the window. Oh cool, there's Dubai. We touched down with me passed out asleep. I didn't notice until the person next to me was tapping my hand to wake me up. We were in Qatar International Airport. It was humongous. Here's some clips of me being blown away by all the simple stuff. This is the longest whatnot. You've ever seen? Whatnot. You do a 360. Oh. This dinosaur became pretty boring after a while. Let me show you some other cool stuff I found. The world's shortest music box ballerina. It was disappointing. So. The culture was very strange. It's like you can spot the Arabs from miles away. They seemed startled by us too. I hate making racist comments, and I'll simply talk about what it really was. We were strangers to one another, and our buoyant and excited energy wasn't common. But they were polite and respectful, and after a couple of minutes seemed to forget we were even there, which I greatly appreciate. Now I'm just wondering how it'll be like in China. Next was another plane ride to China. We landed at the airport, which was a marvel to architecture. I have never gaped so loudly. It was absolutely stunning. We got to our hotel after a very funny moment with our tour guide. He was like, "You look tired." To which we replied, "We've had 2 plane rides and sat in economy seats for the last day. How should we look?" The hotel room was wonderful, and that was Hotel 1 in Beijing. I'm in Beijing! Woo! Guys, subscribe and ring the little bell to keep tuned in for day 2 of my China trip. I'm sorry about the strange images of our people's faces. Many of them said they didn't want to be published, and I don't want anyone suing me and saying, "You put my face on a stupid YouTube video." I don't want my YouTube video being called stupid, so please bear with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and ring the little bell to never miss another episode. Next week, day 2.